Thank you, brother. Yahoo! Finally, we are already here. Finally, we are here in Sariwa, like Genesis Hilton. Nandito kami, kakarating lang namin. Ano to dito? Bilihan ng ticket? Bilihan ng ticket? Ah, yung nakabooking na okay na.
Ito sis.
Hi sis!
Kumusta?
Kailan po?
Ito pa.
Antay kayo dyan. Kabayan,
Yeah, you have to get the ticket straight. He will help.
where? Right?
The person who will be walking.
Brother, where we can get the bus?
Only one person.
Yeah,
Only one of you.
where I can get? I have.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where? Thank you. Oh, sa panahon. Oh, ito yung underwater nila. Hello guys, here finally I got my badge for the entrance, and now I am looking for my friend. My 5 friends are here. So this is what updated. There's so many people guys here inside. Can you see that? Oh wow, we are here. Then I'm already done. I need to go to the entrance and so ito na nga guys, tingnan nyo sila. Hinahanap nila ang kanilang, oh, how about my food? This is all the food that is not allowed inside. It's updated. Oh my god, it's so funny. We didn't tell that food is not allowed here. So guys, finally we are hungry now. We need to get some food inside. So we don't know how much the food here. As you can see, oh my god guys, this is so horrible. Ready! Oh, ito na nga ang mga kaganapan dito sa loob. Inaantay nila ako at hinahanap ko din sila. Nasaan kaya sila ngayon? Saan ko hahanapin? Dito sila. Finally! Hello, hello! Ay, ba, ibang bayan. Another entrance naman sila guys. Nandito lahat ng mga Pilipin. Pasok na tayo? Pasok na tayo. Saan ba rito? Dito na ba o doon sa loob? Sa loob? Ha? 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 Yung kilala mo yan eh, mga vlogger. Mga dictionary. Picture tayo dito. 5. Bilisan nyo!
Stand up, ma'am.
Stand up. Okay, thank you. Diyan sila. Hi, sila. Mrs. Thomas, mag-hi ka na. Hi. Pa-shoutout naman ni Inday Siguana. Hello, guys.
Hello, Mrs. Thomas. Nakapapicture na kami kay Dora kanina.
Thank you po. Ito yung manager namin. Mama Sam pala. Hanggang dito pa naman guys, complicated. Pagpasok namin complicated. Pagdating sa pagkain complicated. Ano ba bitch? Let's go! Let's go! Come on, let's go guys! Hello guys, for today's video update natin ngayon. Bawal ka lang cash dito guys sa kanto. Hindi tayo makakakain. Kailangan ko ng card. Card please. Card please. Bilis naman na nakalasok. sir. I know. Ay! Kailan yan? Ikot ko rin yan. Hello po. Sige, Sprite ka lang. Oh, wow. Wow. Sa tilay na ako yan.